Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood to buy stocks. First, download the Robinhood app from your app store and create your free investment account. This process is straightforward and typically takes just a few minutes. Next, you'll need to link your bank account securely. This allows you to easily transfer funds for your investments. Finally, complete the identity verification steps, which are crucial for security and regulatory compliance, ensuring your account is fully operational and safe for trading. Once your account is set up, it's time to fund it. Simply initiate a transfer from your linked bank account directly within the Robinhood app. For convenience, Robinhood often offers instant deposits of up to $1,000, allowing you to start trading almost immediately. However, for larger amounts, please be aware that transfers might take a few business days, typically up to 5, to fully clear and become available for trading in your account. Now that your account is funded, you're ready to find and buy stocks. Use the search bar at the top of the app to look for specific companies by name or ticker symbol. Once you find a stock, you can view its current price, historical charts, and relevant news. To buy, simply tap the Trade button, select Buy, enter the number of shares you want, and place a market order to execute your purchase immediately. After buying stocks, managing your portfolio is key. The Robinhood app provides a clear overview of your investments, allowing you to track their performance in real time. You can also set up custom price alerts for your desired stocks, notifying you when they reach a specific value. Remember to consider diversifying your portfolio across various assets to help manage risk and potentially enhance long-term growth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.